you remember the scene? I suppose it was in that anatomy, the dream sequence in anatomy class. And when we arrived there, all these tables, these marble tables, were covered with bodies, dead bodies, as being a teaching hospital. But the bodies were used and they were brown, they were kind of mummified, you know, being for so long there. And the staff at the hospital didn't really want to touch them. We offered them money and they said, not in a million years we'll touch them. So the other day we had to force the runners, kind of say, okay, you have to move them. So at the end they piled, they stopped all the bodies, one on top of the other, in a corner, covered them in shit. And then we brought all the crew and actors next and started shooting. There was a smell and the presence there in the room was just...
Nobody knew they were there, and then everybody left and they took the bodies.
And then the marble tops were covered in blood.
Yeah, it's just... Yeah.
You know, it was a bit strange.
And it was funny as well, because the special effects guy was brilliant, and he's done everything, and all the conversations I had with him involved blood and guts and all these kind of things. And he was the one who really didn't